guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samira, and I'm back to you guys with another video because I'm trying to keep consistent. Okay, whatever, you know, you get an inside joke. Anyways, so guys, today's video, if you read the freaking caption, it's an unboxing of a Chanel bag. But guess what? It is actually a fake. What? It is a fake Chanel bag. Okay, so this is actually an unboxing of a replica Chanel bag. Now, I bought this bag to do a comparison video of my authentic Chanel bag versus the fake. But of course, I want to do the unboxing video first so people can see, you know, what you get in it, all of the stuff, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. So yeah, okay. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and stop. Go ahead and like my channel, you know, subscribe, all the fancy stuff. Follow me on the gram, you know, everything like that. Then we can get into this show. Oh yeah, turn on my post notifications. I'm gonna try to stay consistent so you guys just try to see what I'm posting. But yeah, go ahead and like my channel. Alright now. Oh, one more thing. This video is not for the people that's gonna be upset that always somebody else doing. Why can't you always just get the real stuff and not get the fake and the fake stuff? Blah blah blah. It makes people spend their hard-earned money. Yeah. Girl, I'm also that person. I like to spend my money, saving money, and get something, you know, authentic. But at the same time, people have to be realistic. The average person cannot afford to buy a Chanel bag. It's almost $5,000 for like the cheapest one. What do you call it? The wallets and stuff. Like, regardless, cause nobody can afford this on an average person's salary. So you have to be realistic. So some people may want to have that feeling that they have that stuff or have something similar to it. So why not? Let them go ahead. How about if you're the person that feel you want to do authentic, bitch, show your receipts, stuck on the ground, do you. Because at the same time, this video is not for you, so you can just skip on by. Give me thumbs up though. But yeah, so this video is for people, for the average people who want to feel that look of luxury but can't afford it at the same time. This is for you guys, because I know before I could afford my Chanel bag, I always wanted one, but I hated the fakes that look fake. So having a super fake supposedly should look more authentic. They say it's 99.9% close to authentic or 99%. Either way, it's supposed to be very, very close. So with that being said, you know, it makes people more comfortable wearing a fake, because you know, sometimes, yeah, you bought a fake, but you don't want people to kind of point out, oh yeah, she has a, you know, you want to kind of stay on a low key, you know, say, yeah, we all do shit with social media, shit, I be editing, but we do shit. Anyway, so, all my rambling, let's get into this video. So I got this, this bag from, I'm not sure the name of the company, but if I remember the name of the company, I will put it below. But I basically found them on YouTube, and then I send them a WhatsApp and contact that way. But yeah, so they have a YouTube channel, so pretty sure if you search you can find it, but I'll try to link it below as well. But anyways, so this is my Chanel bag. It did not come like this. It came just a box wrapped up and stuff or whatever, DHL bag, and this bag came inside of the bag. It also had the flower inside of the bag, but of course I took it out before. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. I just put it in the bag because I thought it was so cute, like a little, like, you know, you just came out the store. Yeah, you guys got a Chanel. But yeah, anyways, unboxing. I have not opened this bag as yet besides looking inside of it, so you're definitely getting a true unboxing experience. So this is the Chanel box. Looks very, very similar to the real Chanel box. And in my comparison video next, you will see the differences of the boxes, the bags, the flour, every little thing that's being sent. So you'll see that in the next video, so look forward to that. But right now, let's go ahead and undo it. So it opened up right here, just like this. So what it looks like. So you see inside here is the bag, and it has the strings here. The flour was in here as well at the time being. That's a lot of string. Okay. Alright, let's just put that here. This is the bag. And then you have the receipts and all that good stuff. So you have the receipts, and I'm going to show you them a little closely. You get there. Oh, here's the flour. So I guess that's probably maybe that's a fake flour or a flour. I'm not sure what flour that is, but here's the fake one. But here's the fake one. And then it has like another I guess like the barcode and stuff, whatever. Yeah. So guys, I told you guys I'll show you guys the receipts it came with. So this is one. It says Chanel Hong Kong. I guess this is what the Hong Kong receipt looks like. For whenever you're like, I guess, I'm not sure what it's saying, but I guess you posted or whatever. Anyways, they got two of them, and it gives you the price. Then it has the Chanel one, but when I compare it to mine, you will see the difference because it doesn't have like a person's name on this. Why is the camera? Okay, I zoomed in on it, so here we go. It says the pricing in I guess Hong Kong dollars, and again it doesn't have any name. It should have been here, like mine say my name. But yeah, and so those three. Then it comes with this, which is, what is this? Zoom out a little bit so we can focus. Yeah, it just says Chanel. It doesn't even say what type on here, and it says the sales associate was Anita Chong, and it was used with this card, and the customer name is left blank. So I guess they copied an original one, but just leave it blank so you can kind of make it your own. The authenticity card. They came with this. I'm not even sure what's in here, but probably same thing, how to like care for the bag or something. Whatever. The flour. And it came with this. Okay, so that's that for the box. It's a little bland compared to going to the store because you get a lot of stuffing. You're gonna see that in the comparison video, so you look forward to that. So let's go ahead and put that down for right now. The bag is wrapped in plastic. I'm not sure if the Chanel bags before they get to the store is come in plastic like this. Probably they do, but when I got my bag, it did not come in this kind of plastic. It was already, you know, just in the dust bag. Or was it? It was a while. My last Chanel bag was literally like 2-3 years ago. So, but anyhow, let's go ahead and undo this. I mean, they got this shit taped down. Okay, secure the bag alert. Wow, okay. Let's see. My hair is trying to be all in my mouth. Like, I mean, I'm not trying to eat for dinner. Okay, so this is the dust bag. It's another, so yeah. Well, I'll tell you the difference in the comparison video, but so that is it, the dust bag. And then here, we have the bag. Let's go ahead and undo it. I could have sworn I told this lady I wanted the shiny leather, and it doesn't look to be the shiny leather, but we'll see. Which is the patent leather, by the way. The shiny leather is the patent leather. Because I want it to be exactly like my bag so I can do the comparison. But it doesn't look like it in the picture, so we'll see. Not picture, in the bag. And oh, it is. I couldn't tell. It didn't look shiny in the bag, but oh my god. Oh my god, this looks great. This is actually beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and take off the chain. So this should be silver chain. Of course, you can see the silver here. This is always taped down. Mine actually came with this on as well. I didn't have this on my bag though. So let's see. I mean, do they even want you to open this bag? Like, shit. I should have got a scissors from the drawer, but I'm gonna get it up right now. Like, God, just let me open it. I'm not trying to fight you right now. Oh, okay. Let's take a short intermission. Let me get some scissors, because clearly this bag handle has an attitude and I ain't got time. So BRB. And we're back. Okay, let's try to cut this thing off because they done secured the bag for real. I was only joking earlier, but clearly they took this thing to heart. Alright, see how easy that was with the scissors? Should have that handy. Let's see. So alright. The straps look pretty short. Like, I could be wrong, but it just looks really short. It's kind of moves kind of really stiff. But okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and open in. We have to take off the little tape here. So yeah, we got the authenticity card, a little card here. It's actually pretty good. I must say it is really, really good. This is what the inside looks like. Got the zip up here. Inside the bag, have the double C. Inside the bag. The back also has a little Chanel thing on it. Oh, this is cute. Chanel thing on it. It might be the right size chain link, actually. Really might be. I feel like it just looks a little square, but I guess because it's brand new compared to mine. It's like, but yeah, guys, there you have it. Chanel classic patent leather replica. Gorgeous, like, wow. Now I'm gonna go ahead end this video because I'm gonna compare my bag to see what I can figure out is like the stuff that doesn't match. But right now, just looking at it, like, I can't even tell. But I'm not a Chanel expert. I mean, I only have like 4, so. But wow, just freaking wow. If you guys want a good replica, holla at this person, okay? Holla at them real quick, because clearly they are doing something right. This is, and I only bought this for like $3.99 or something like that. And of course, people will say, well, that's not, you know, this one for like 70, whatever. This is a super fake. You can't expect it to be the same price as the bullshit fakes. It's supposed to look 99% like the original, so it's supposed to give that original look. So it's a little more expensive, but it's still cheaper than a $5,000 bag. So anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up. I'll throw the bag away. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to the second video, which is going to be the comparison video. And yeah, hope to see you guys again on my next video. Bye.